Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we are going to see the demo of a very powerful AI tool for research, that is Roadrunner AI. Roadrunner AI is considered one of the best tools of 2025 because it does not just assist with research, it completely redefines how research is done. Unlike traditional tools, where we need different software for searching, reading, analyzing, writing, and citing, Roadrunner AI combines everything in one unified workspace. This saves time, reduces errors, and simplifies the entire research workflow. Roadrunner AI uses the advanced artificial intelligence that understands the context, meaning, and research structure, not just the keywords. It can understand what we are trying to study and deliver intelligent suggestions instead of just random results. This platform is built specifically for researchers, universities, healthcare professionals, and policy teams. This means that the AI is trained to focus on accuracy, citations, and evidence-based results, not just the speed. Now let's see the interface of Roadrunner AI. So for this, we'll go in Google and I write down here Roadrunner AI. Now click on this first one, Roadrunner AI powered research assistant. Click on it. So you will have to sign in from here. The good news is that they provide 30 days free trial. Some of the tabs which are available are Dashboard, Resources, Copilot, Search, Analyze, Synthesize, Write, and Collaborate. We will see all of them one by one, but we will start with the Copilot. So the Roadrunner AI Copilot is your smart research assistant inside the Roadrunner AI platform. I have to just write any research goal and it will create the personalized recommendations from it. So I'll write here, Control V. You can also always start the new session from here. So we want to study the effect of epigenetic modifications and their impact on beta cell dysfunction in diabetes mellitus. So start Copilot session. So you can see the results have been generated. I can just click here, generate the brief, and it will give me the document. So here, session brief has been generated. After pressing this, I have to just simply click on this PDF and I'll get the output. You can see here the research objective, approach and strategies, tools and methods. Now let's go again on the Roadrunner interface. There are some recommended actions which we can do. Conduct a literature review, identify the research gap, extract the high impact citations. So we can start any one of them. It's just like a agentic AI. Start. So it will start doing the literature review. In this, again we get the option, do you want to go for systematic review, scoping review, or meta-analysis? This we will see later on. Let's go back again to the Copilot interface. So by clicking here, you will be able to reach the Copilot. Now the next thing which we want to do is press search. The search menu in Roadrunner AI is used to find high quality research paper, articles, and documents. So I'll copy the required, what is my requirement? The effect of epigenetic modifications. So I'll write the title here and press explore. So let's see what it gives to us. So the result is ready. You can see this detailed analysis, funding relevance, grant writing angles, collaboration opportunities and publication strategy. One of the unique feature in Roadrunner AI is I can change my role. So activate this as graduate student and make it comprehensive, and the results change. Start the explore button again. That was according to the principal investigator. Now this will generate the result according to the graduate student. Let's see what type of output it provides. The abstract, I can see the citations, I can see the full paper when I click on it. Again, I'll press this back button so I can see the full paper. Okay, the detailed analysis, graduate student perspective, key points to be discussed, explore further with the copilot. This we will see, related figures and chart, and these are some probing prompts. It means that what is the next thing which I should probe? Just click here and it will start probing from here. So these are the results. Now again, I'll press this back button. If you want to go in again in search, click this search. The results will be there. Scroll. Some charts, intelligent search follow-ups, and at the bottom, again, there is a window for prompting. I can ask further questions here. So I can write here, tell me about the research methodology to be adapted for the study. This prompt I can use, enter, and it will give me the results. So this gives me the result for the research methodology and all the papers related to the research methodology. Okay, now I can share this result by pressing this. I can share in a public link by, in my team only, how to create team that we are going to see. Okay, I can add to resources and it will be added. What happens when we add to resources? That is later on. Now I can cite the individual paper by clicking here. So the formatted citation is available. Right. Now save this. So just a minute, I'll have to go a little bit back. Yeah, press this save button. Okay, scroll, press this save button, scroll, at least save 4 or 5 papers. Right. So this is related to the research methodology. Let's go back and save some original papers. So again, I'll click in search. So this was my result. Save. Okay. Now this is done. If I just want the papers, I'll click here. Some information from website, then I'll click here. If I want most relevant paper, I'll click this, and most cited this. Okay. These results can also be exported by pressing here, export in whatever format I want. It will export the results. Okay. Now let's see the analyze tab. So the analyze menu in Roadrunner AI helps us to understand research automatically by extracting key insights from the academic papers. It can identify research gaps, find high impact citations, compare different hypotheses, create structured literature review tables, build research timelines, extract best methodological practices, so much. Let's start with the first one, identify the strategic research gap. Click here. So if you recall, we had saved something in my resources. So it will appear here. See this, all these papers have appeared. I can also import from Zotero. I can also upload the new document. So this is this will give us my resources which we have saved earlier. Here I can also upload the new document. Now what I have to do, select all visible, and it will give me the option analyze 6 documents for research gap. Let's see. So click on it and it will give me the research gaps. So the results are ready for the research gap, and I can choose my persona. I want to identify the research gap as a student or a principal investigator. Okay, the gaps, what type of gaps? Explicit, inferred, controversy. Okay, evidence density can be activated from here. Urgency score detected in years, which year the gaps were found. And this is the 2 strategic gaps on which the study can be carried out. Okay, let's go back and click again on analyze. So this was strategic research gap. Compare competing hypotheses. Whatever resources which we have saved, from that, let's extract the hypothesis. I can also add the new hypothesis from here. Add the new hypothesis label, formal statement, description, and it will test this hypothesis that anything is there in the document or not. Or still there is one more method. If I want to extract anything from the single document, I will click here. Multi-document, I will click here. So let's go with the single document. Load from resources. I can upload the new documents also. Select all. Add selected resources. Done. Extract the hypothesis from this, and it will extract all the hypotheses discussed in these papers. So you can see H1, H2, save selected. Save selected. Now close this. Again go in analyze, build a strategic research timeline, click on it. So same topic, let's paste the title here and generate the research timeline. Click here. The entire timeline view is ready. Click on timeline view. High impact studies, medium impact studies, hover the mouse on it and it will give you the details about it. You can again click here to have a detailed analysis. The entire timeline is available. Zoom. Okay. And hover a mouse and you will get the details about it. Now let's proceed further. Again, I will click on analyze. So this is over, this is over, this is over. Summarize the clinical relevance. You are aware about my resources. These are all the documents which we had saved. I can also upload the PDF, docs, text, CSV file for generating the clinical evidence synthesis. So select all visible, proceed, and I will have to write the specific question and press synthesize the evidence and it will give me the answer. So again, I will write the same question, synthesize the evidence, and let's see what it gives to us. The results will be generated in the form of results, insight, and history. Just amazing. See, the clinical question which was asked, its results, clinical impact, population, effect size, and clinical metrics. We can export the analysis, area of evidence consensus. Okay, one thing, okay, let's click on insights first. So these are all AI powered clinical insights and clinical recommendations. One thing which was left out in the gap analysis, again, I'll go and analyze, identify the research gap, select all visible, analyze 6 documents. One thing which was left out. See, after this gap list, there is a coverage map. This was missed out. So we can see the underexplored topics in which the research can be done. So if it is green, well researched, red, underexplored, and if this is orange color, then it is controversial. I can see the timeline also, this timeline, and the heat maps. So 3 gaps. Moreover, the selection can also be done. As soon as I click on it, gap cluster selected. Okay. So again, I will go and analyze. This we have done it. This we have done it. Strategic timeline we have done it. Summarize clinical relevance we have done it. Extract high impact citations. So this is also possible. From here, I have to activate the data sources. How many citations are required? Minimum citations I have to specify, and the range. So it will extract the papers based on this, and I have to specify the keywords or topic. So let's try it. Diabetes, and I'll specify here semantic scholar, minimum citations 10, specify the year 2016 to 2024, extract high impact citations. So just here the papers with high impact citations. Okay, let's go back on analyze, create the literature review table. Click here, select all visible. Now you are aware about it. I can also again upload the things from here and generate the literature review table. So you can see that in the first column, title, authors, year. So it's just like an Excel format, and this can be exported in CSV, JSON. Now if I want to add some more thing, some more column, so I'll write here sample size, add the column, or conclusions, and just press it. What about the conclusions? So it will give me that do you want to add the column? Click add column for conclusion, and it will add it. Moreover, you can also select the columns from here that you want the details about the comorbidities, baseline characteristics, control, dosage, duration. After you have specified all these things, then only press the button of export, and this you will get it in Excel format. Let's check, is it doing it or not? Click here, export as CSV format, done, and it's ready. It's very powerful. Just see. Now again click on analyze, extract methodological best practices, select all visible, and it will start extracting the methods. So you can see here the results are ready. What is your persona? So you're looking as a principal investigator or a PhD student. View mode, frequency analysis, methods clusters, what do you require? So all this is generated here. See, all this is generated here, and I will make this as a frequency analysis, filter methods. Do you want only the experimental designs? Then click here and it will give you the experimental designs. Moreover, some recommendations on the top, strategic insights are available, but the interesting is live watch list. Now you will activate this watch list that any paper which is published related to the diabetes, create the watch list and it will give you the notification. Amazing. Click on the export, and all these things can be exported in CSV, Excel, markdown summary, trend report, everything can be done. Okay, so analyze window is over. Let's go in synthesize. In synthesize, systematic reviews can be generated. One. Second is scoping reviews can be generated. Third, in synthesize, I can do the meta analysis. So just click on this AI assessed objectives and all the relevant questions will appear. From here, you want to do the meta analysis using the continuous measure, dichotomous, correlation coefficient, incidence rate, hazard ratio. Which model you want to go for, fixed effects, random effects. And after doing all this, let's select from here. You have to just press complete the setup and it will do the meta analysis. Next is write. I will just write here, create a research proposal for. So I'll write here, create the research proposal for the effect of. Press enter and it will generate the document. So this is about the document creation assistant. I can also go in collaborate, create new project, give the name of the project, that is I'm working on diabetes, description about it, which team I should assign the project, some tags, create the project, done, and the project is ready here. Moreover, the teams can also be created, the name of the team, organization, what is the hierarchy, who has to report whom, the hierarchy. After this is being done, again I will go on the dashboards. This is also the great feature. Based on whatever documents which are generated, it will give you the grant opportunities radar from where you can get the grants. It also gives you the research trend forecast, the trends, funding agencies for your project, and who are the leaders in this area. Quite good. Again, if I go on resources, whatever searches which I have done, it will all be generated here, all resources, saved searches, saved sources from Zotero, methods, extract the methods. If I click here, again it will go back to that methodological menu, writing, AI content, uploaded documents, tools output, visuals, notes and links. So this window keeps the track of all the things which you have uploaded or generated in Roadrunner AI. One more feature which is left out, and that is, in case if you are not able to understand any part or you want an explanation for the interface, just press this question mark and the help is ready. Kindly explain me this page. Done. It will start explaining me the page, what is to be done, how the documents are to be uploaded. So here is it. So this was all about Roadrunner AI. For more videos on such tools used in research, kindly refer to my playlist. I have also uploaded many videos on data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and generative AI on my YouTube channel named Dhaval Maheta. To watch the full videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and check the playlist. Please don't forget to like and share my videos. You can also follow me on different social medias, link given in the description box.